How did Lysenkoism claim species, transformed by environment? Imagine a world where plants and animals could change their very nature just by living in different conditions. That's what Trofim Lysenko claimed. He was a Soviet scientist who believed that species could be transformed directly by their environment. Instead of genes passing on traits, he said that changes acquired during an organism's life could be inherited by future generations. This idea is quite different from what most scientists understand about heredity today. Lysenko argued that environmental factors like temperature or farming methods could cause heritable changes. For example, he claimed that if you exposed winter wheat seeds to cold temperatures before planting, the plants would grow better and, more surprisingly, pass those cold-resistant traits to their children. This process is called vernalization, and Lysenko said it could be used to improve crops quickly. He believed that if you stressed plants or animals enough, they would develop new traits that could be passed down, making species transform over time. He also thought that species could change into entirely different kinds through environmental manipulation. For instance, he suggested that if you kept a certain animal in a specific environment long enough, it could become a different species. His ideas were based on Lysenkoism, a theory from the early 1800s that suggested acquired traits could be inherited. But this was not supported by scientific evidence at the time. Lysenko's claims went against the well-established principles of genetics, which say that traits are inherited through genes, not by environmental influence alone. His rejection of Mendelian genetics and natural selection led to many scientists in the Soviet Union being silenced or punished. His ideas gained political support, which meant that his theories were promoted even though they lacked solid proof. In the world of experimental science, Lysenkoism is a strange chapter. It involved bizarre experiments like claiming that plants could be made to cooperate instead of compete, simply by changing their environment. These experiments often produced quirky results that seemed impressive but were not scientifically valid. The idea that environment alone could rewrite the genetic makeup of species was a bold and flawed claim. This controversy shows how political beliefs can influence science, leading to claims that seem to challenge the basic rules of biology. Lysenkoism remains a vivid example of how pseudoscience can take hold when science is driven by ideology rather than evidence. It's a reminder of the importance of rigorous testing and proof in scientific discoveries.